Hey guys, it's Sterling Bear here.
Hi.
In this episode, we're doing a variety episode, or pack opening as I should say. We're doing a Sword and Shield base set, Champion's Path, Vivid Voltage, Japanese Vivid Voltage, Darkness Ablaze, Battle Styles, Burning Shadows, and Crimson Invasion. Now the special pack here that we know for sure is this Vivid Voltage, because we bought this off of somebody because it was a Wade pack. Wade packs usually have good stuff in them, so we'll see if this one right here has some good stuff in it, and it is really heavy. Now we're kind of doing, it's kind of like a little pack versus pack thing right here, because we're doing a English, Japanese, or an English Vivid Voltage Wade pack versus a Japanese non-Wade pack, and we're going to see how it goes. And we'll be each, opening a few of these right here. So we're going to see how it goes. Let's get to it. Alright, I'll be starting it off with this Crimson Invasion pack right here, and we'll see how it is. This will be our first Crimson Invasion pack. I'm not sure how many more of these we have. I'll have to ask our manager. Green code. Okay. Go get yourself some free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Energy. And we got a Diggersby. Why? You can't hold it in? I held it in a cough. Jesus Christ, dude. Alright, we got a Diggersby. A Mawile. A Counter Catcher. Starly. Skiddo. Pikachu. A Alolan Geodude. A Misdreavus. A Reverse Hollow Haunter. And a Octillery. Hey, and we've got a white code right here. Get yourself some free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3 to the front. NG. And then I'll give this over to Bear.
Air Balloon. Pokekid. Heatmore. Roselia. Choodle. Blipbug. Rhyhorn. Clobbopus. Rare Candy, and a Regirock V.
Got a white code right here. Code card. There we go. Free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Energy. We get a Kabu, a BD, Absol, Slizipede, Galarian Zigzagoon. Ooh, if you saw that, oh, you can still see it. There's something up there, guys. Scraggy, Rockruff. It's so hard to keep it. Oh my gosh. Vulpix, a Reverse Hollow Maliu, and a Grapplock V. Ooh. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, guys. It looks like the printing on this one is off. Wait, no, it's not. It kind of looks like it. This whole side looks weird. I think it's off print code. Oop. Sell some free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Energy. So go ahead and give this over to Bear.
Weakness Policy. Heatmore. Carlia. Alolan Rattata. Panpour. Caterpie. Porygon. Zwok. Reverse Hollow Noibat, and Weavile non-hollow.
Oh my gosh. Got a green code right here. That's not a good sign. Got this right here. Free Pokemon. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Energy. Got a Duat, Opal, Magnetan or Megatang, Whismer, Trubbish, Dynamo, Clobopus, Woobat, Amazing Rare Celebi. Okay, what's this? In a Club Every. Okay, Celebi right here. Amazing Rare. Ooh. These are amazing. That's why they're called Amazing Rares, if you can get it. Alright. Green code. Free Pokemon.
Soul Rock, Powerful Energy, Cape of Toughness, Electrike, Pansage, Skarmory, Starly, Torchic, Reverse Hollow Mimikyu, and a Hollow Pinchurin.
Alright. Right here, I got the big ticket item right here. Well, not really another big ticket, but a good one nonetheless. We've got whatever this is. Let me... Alright guys, here we go. We got whatever this is. Looks like a little goblin. Got the bread boy back again. That's a Go-Go. I know that one. Don't even know. And a trainer. Okay.
B. That's
Okay.
B. That's the Freddy.
Okay, B. I think this one is pretty decent. Not 100% sure. We'll see
It's the last stage of Oshawott.
Later.
Samurott.
Samurai, yep. Okay, now Bear's moving on to the last pack of the video, Battle Styles. Heavy, but it's got a green code, so womp womp. There we go. Come on. Yep. Alright, there we go. There's the code.
Weeping Bell. Phobie. Harmacurl. Persker. Cooberry. Mababoo. Silly Cobra. Galarian Mr. Mime. Kagura and the last one on Halloween.
Alright guys, that was the last pack. These are the pulls of today. Got this Regirock V, very bad condition though. Got this Grapplock V, in very bad condition too. This Amazing Rare Celebi, very nice condition. And this Pinsirchin Hollow. Now, if you guys did like, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. Leave a comment. Go check out all the social medias. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.